What it boils down to in structural engineering, we don't even know what the question is, let alone the answer. My name is Tim Schweitzer. I am the Director of Structural Engineering here at Mackenzie. I remember when I graduated from school, I thought that I was ready to design buildings. What I found out very quickly is that I didn't really know much. Like in the first 6 months that I worked here at Mackenzie, because I've been here my whole career, so I learned more than the 4 years that I'd learned in school.
Hi, my name is Ryan Scharf. I'm an incoming 5th year at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and I'm here at Mackenzie this summer as a structural engineering intern.
I guess I'm in. I think I'm in. Hey guys! We're on site today doing a site visit. They're doing some shotcrete and we're looking at the mat slab that's down here. Take a peek.
One thing that I've learned from Mackenzie that I think adds on to what I've been learning in school. So much of what we learn in school, we have all of the general information we need to get started on the project. And in the real world, so much of that is something that, as an engineer, I have to decide myself.
We're looking for interns that are ready to get out there and design buildings. If you can do it, we'll put you to work. That's as simple as that. We're not going to have you over there, filing stuff. We're going to be training you. We're going to be using your calculations. We're going to put you to work.
I didn't know exactly what to expect when coming to Mackenzie, but I was really excited to learn that once I got here, that I would have a pretty big impact on the projects I was working on. I've been working with systems in terms of gravity, in terms of lateral systems, and I've also been looking at some of the details that go into connections and to the interaction between elements.
If you can do an internship, you're going to be ahead. And what happens with our interns is that they get a glimpse of that, and I think it changes their perspective such that they get a lot more out of their coursework. They've got a glimpse of, oh my gosh, I've got a lot to learn.
They start off each intern by showing them the ropes, giving them kind of the smaller problems, make sure that they're on the same page as the rest of the team. They quickly lead you into larger and larger problems as the team sees you're able to achieve, and kind of meet you at your skill level and then push you a little bit beyond that skill level.
We try to instill in them is the aspect of not just mentoring for, hey, how to do this calc, but kind of the soft side of our job and making sure that the interns are shown by example and directly how important that soft side is and being able to communicate. Communication is a huge part of what we do as structural engineers. We can do the calcs, but if we can't communicate it to the contractor, the owners, the building officials, we can be the greatest engineers in the world. If we can't do that, we will fail. What you learn in school is vital and important. But what you learn in school is just like the very baseline. It's like the foundation to build off of. We're making an investment in you, right? Because individuals are what will make us great.